Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video I will show you how to restore old photos using free apps. So let's get started. So firstly go to browser. Here you will search for Remini. Open the Remini. Here now scroll down, then tap on enhance on Remini web. Click on choose file. Here I will download the New York 90s picture, which is blur. Now we will enhance the image with using Remini. We'll see image enhanced successfully. There you will see the slide bar. You can see the difference before versus after. Then you will see face enhance, then click on apply. It will enhance the faces and remove the blurriness. You will see this was blur and the difference clearly see. Also from there you can blur the background and adjust the color profile like this. This is the premium feature. If you want to color in your 90s black and white picture, you want to buy this. If you want to only remove the blurriness and enhance the picture, you will see the option like face enhances. Now you will see the difference. Click on the download and click on download. Here you will see the download will be successfully. And that's how you can convert old 90s photos into HD using free AI app. If this video helped you, press the like, subscribe and comment which old photo you will restore first, and thanks for watching.